Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an Ethereum wallet. First, understand the two main types, hardware and software. Hardware wallets, like Ledger or Trezor, offer maximum security by storing your private keys offline. Software wallets, such as MetaMask, are more convenient for frequent transactions and can be browser extensions or mobile apps. Your choice depends on your security priorities and how often you plan to use your Ethereum. Setting up a software wallet is straightforward. Begin by downloading a reputable wallet application or browser extension like MetaMask from its official source. Next, create a new wallet and establish a robust, unique password. The most critical step is to securely back up your recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase. Write it down on paper and store it in a safe, private location, never digitally. For enhanced security, setting up a hardware wallet is ideal. Start by connecting your new hardware device to your computer using the provided cable. Follow the manufacturer's on-screen instructions to initialize the device and set up a PIN. Crucially, generate and carefully write down your recovery phrase. This phrase is your ultimate backup, so store it in a secure, offline location separate from your device to protect your assets. Once your wallet is set up, you can fund it by transferring Ethereum from an exchange. Always double-check the recipient wallet address before confirming any transaction to prevent irreversible loss. For maximum security, consider enabling two-factor authentication wherever possible and be wary of phishing attempts. Remember, your recovery phrase is paramount. Never share it. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals to help you stay organized and efficient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.